Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's $500 trading tips for boom and crash. Okay, we usually do this every night like this just for you to know how to trade, what to trade, and the direction of the market. Okay, these are some of the things we usually do in this part of Qora Digital Cash channel. Okay, so I welcome you guys for today's zone again. If you have not been joining us before, probably this is the first time of getting to this channel, I welcome you to Qora Digital Cash. And this is the channel which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money online, most especially within the Forex niche. Okay, so all you just need to do is just to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. This is very important, so I'm going to repeat that again. Make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try any of the strategies out on your real account. That is very vital and important. And if you love my videos, kindly give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends. And of course, if you have any questions at all about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And also quickly, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell beside it and set it to all notifications. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, I must say a big thank you to you guys for joining me every night like this. Okay, and I'm really happy about your trading activities because you guys have really improved, and I'm really happy that so many withdrawals are now going on within the platform. This is really cool, and I'm really happy about that. Okay, so guys, I will be looking at the market again today, but before we go straight into it, I would like to let you know that, okay, first of all, this is coming to you called Qora Digital Cash. Then the next thing is, okay, this is going to be done based on my own technical know-how, and based on the tools I'm using, trading tools I'm using, the time frame, then the exact time which this is coming out. Okay, if you are not joining us live and direct right now, then definitely probably whenever you are seeing it, it is about an hour later or 2 hours later, then you need to reconsider checking the charts before you go on with the trade. This is very important because the main essence of this, okay, the main purpose of doing this is just for you to make some money, not for you to lose money. So if I'm doing something about an hour before and you are just seeing it, then definitely you should consider checking on the chart to see if it is something you should still follow or not. Okay, so all these are very important. So we'll be going straight into the platform right away. I titled this my $500 per day tips for trading boom and crash. Okay, and let me quickly say this because a number of people will be asking me, how can I make the $500? The $500 depends on your own trading capital and also your lot size. Okay, I'm not saying if you are having $10 you should be able to make $500 with it in a day. Okay, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying it is not possible either, but it's in such cases are rare cases. Okay, so that is it. So I'm not going to promise you something that looks very impossible. Okay, so that is it. So let's go straight into the trading platform. The main purpose of this is for you to be able to make profitable trade, grow your trading capital gradually, make consistent profits, and also withdraw from the trading platform. Okay, so that is the main purpose of this. So we'll be going to the chart right away to check out what is happening. We'll be starting with boom 1000 gold. So boom 1000, I'm using QDC scraper indicator, and I'm on 5-minute time frame. I will be checking out boom 1000 right away. Okay, so let me take it back to this, you can see this trend. Okay, this is amazing, guys. This is an uptrend starting from here, and it went up to this side and came down. Like I always tell, there will always be pullbacks, so be prepared for pullbacks. Okay, so this is the pullback. This is another good area where you can go into the market again. Then check it out, it went to this level where the market ended the trade right here. Okay, but right now the market is on downtrend. But like I always tell you, if a trend is if the market is coming from a very strong trend, it will find it difficult to break out into the following into the next trend successfully. You can see it came down here, went back up, now came down to this level, then there is a pullback. This pullback actually brought it back to the starting point, and it is now going down again. Of course, it is trying to break out from the 4 MA candles. Once it breaks out from here, then it should get to this support zone again. Okay, and try to see if it can break out from this support zone. Once it breaks out from here, then here should be the next bus stop, and probably this is where it's going to end the trend. Okay, so that is the way it works. So it is going to be a sell, but if you are going to follow right away, I will advise you to wait till it breaks out from these 4 MA candles. So let's do that. So it is going to be a sell, guys. It is going to be a sell. So let's check out Boom 500, guys. Boom 500. Where are you? Okay, this is Boom 500, guys. Okay, this is Boom 500. It was on downtrend. It was on downtrend. Just the way we have seen it right here. Okay, this was the one we analyzed yesterday. That once it breaks out from here, then it should shoot down to this level. You can see that it took that direction, and that is why this downtrend started. Okay, this downtrend started, and if you are taking that trade yesterday, you would have been in big profit for a very long time. Okay, this is when the trend came to an end. You can see that. So that is why I always tell you to understand the way I'm doing this analysis. Once you understand, you can do it on your own without waiting for me. Okay, so the purpose of doing this is just for you to learn how to analyze just the way I am doing it, and also to make profit while you are learning. Okay, so that is it. So check it out. This will have been a smooth ride if you are taking that trade yesterday. Okay, and right here you should have known that okay, the trend has come to an end and it is going back on uptrend, and of course it went back on uptrend. And check it out, if you watch the video I did earlier on, in the morning, this is what I explained, you identifying the spikes. Okay, you can see that you shouldn't trade normally when the spike, when boom is on uptrend, and that is what is happening here, because the reason is if you want to trade for long at that point, then you are most likely to be trapped in the spikes for a very long time, because that is when spikes usually happen. Okay, you can see it, you can see the series of spikes that happen around here till it's got to this resistance level. That is when you now have the opportunity to sell for a while, but it's not going to be for a long, because this is just a pullback. It will start spiking up back again. Okay, more especially right now that it is approaching this support region. Okay, so it is going to be a buy for Boom 500. It is going to be a buy for Boom 500. Okay, so we'll be checking out Crash 1000 right away. Okay, let's check out Crash 1000 right away. Okay, let's check out Crash 1000 right away. Okay, okay, this is Crash 1000, guys. This is Crash 1000. You can see the market, it was on uptrend before, and the trend actually came to an end right here on this resistance level. Right now it has started a downtrend, and you can see the way it has been crashing since. Okay, it crashed down to this level and came and ended the trend right from here. So it is now starting an uptrend at the moment, but you will have to wait for it to break this 4MA candle successfully, which is standing as a resistance level. Okay, once it breaks out from here, then it will continue with the buy trend. But if it does not break out from there, then it might not continue with it. So it is going to be a buy for crash 1000, guys. So we'll be checking out crash 500 right away. Okay, crash 500 right away. So this is crash 500, just the way you have seen it. The market consolidated around here to here. Okay, because it has gone to this gone on uptrend right from the downtrend level. It went on uptrend, got there, came down, went back to that same resistance level, came down. You can see that, excuse me, it tested the resistance level several times. It tested the resistance level several times. Check it out. It tested it here again, came down again, and it was trying to break out from the resistance level but was finding it difficult, and that is why the market consolidated for a very long time around there till it got to this level. And right now it's changed the decision totally and went back on downtrend. Okay, it went back on downtrend, and this is where the trend came to an end. Okay, but right now it is going back on uptrend, even though if it is finding it difficult to break out successfully from here, but it is going to be an uptrend, and it might be a very long one because it will be finding difficult to break out from this support zone. We've got two support zone here, so it will be finding difficult to break out from there, but wait for it to break out from these 4MA candles before you jump into the trade. So it's going to be a buy, but wait for it to break out wait for it to break out from the resistance zone before you jump into the trade. Okay, so these are going to be our these are our analysis for today, and thank you guys for joining me on this live and direct. I'm really happy that we're able to do this together. Make sure you do the necessary things, everything I highlighted in this video before you jump into the trade. If you are new on this platform, or probably you are new to trading, please practice first before you try it out on your real account. Okay, even if it takes you a week to practice, keep on practicing till you are able to master the way to go or to perfect your skill on this. Okay, and okay, if you must go with the trade which we have analyzed tonight, make sure you do it on your demo account for now. Okay, till you understand everything about trading. Okay, but for those of you that have been doing it before, for those of you that have been milking the markets, okay, you can go on with your live trade and trade with it so that you will understand, so that you can make some profit for yourself. So I'll be stopping right here. Remember to share your results with me tomorrow. In case you have any question or you want to share your results with me, my details are on the screen right now, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.